अरे भाई क्या तकलीफ है इस सज्जन को? इस सज्जन को क्या तकलीफ है?
किसे?
आपको। आपने मेरा नेटफ्लिक्स का पासवर्ड फिर चेंज कर दिया।
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट्स नॉट योर पासवर्ड, वो मेरा पासवर्ड है। मैं हमेशा सब्सक्रिप्शन भरती हूँ। आपने कभी मुझे पैसे नहीं दिए। मैं रोज़ व्हाट्सएप करती थी आपको, बोलते मैं इलेक्शन के बाद दूंगा। कभी नहीं दिया आपने। आप आत्मनिर्भर बनिए, थोड़ा खुद का सब्सक्रिप्शन ले।
अरे मेरे मित्र ये जो निकी मिनाज हैं,
आई लव
उनके भाई का एक शो है,
She-
पेट्रियट एक्ट। मैं और रागानी जी उसे रोज देखते हैं। सीजन 3 के सेकंड लास्ट एपिसोड तक पहुंचे थे, आपने पासवर्ड चेंज कर दिया।
नहीं सॉरी यार, यू हैव टू स्टॉप दिस हॉगिंग। आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू शेयर माय पासवर्ड विद यू। अब मैं हमेशा वॉचिंग लिस्ट खराब कर देते हो, हमेशा उधर आके कुछ ना कुछ।
अरे खराब तो अमित जी की भी करता हूँ मैं, उन्होंने
What?
तो कभी कंप्लेन नहीं की। कंटिन्यू वॉचिंग,
अच्छा
कंटिन्यू वॉचिंग।
No, I'm not going to share my password with you anymore.
ठीक है, आगानी जी कॉल लगाइए केजरीवाल को, उनसे लेंगे उनका पासवर्ड।
Welcome back to our podcast Relationships Aajkal, where we discuss pressing issues pertaining to every relationship, be it with your partner, your friends, your bosses, or even your neighbors. I'm Prajakta.
And I'm Kalpit, and we will be hosting the podcast. Before diving into the episode, let us give you a little preview of what you are in for. Our today's episode is
Why have we started avoiding Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, and other OTT platforms?
In this episode, we will be putting forth our views about how we think we are overdoing the whole Netflix and chill thing. Well, just the Netflix part.
How we think it is affecting our lives in the long run, and what basic things are we undertaking to reduce the binge watching addiction.
So, Prajakta, biggest question which we all get a lot nowadays during lockdown is what are you binging, man?
Food wise or
Oh, no, not food wise, but yeah, I mean, what are you watching nowadays? What's your poison?
oh god, I know, like the first question which people ask you generally after saying hi hello is, so आजकल कौन सी series देख रहे हो? What are you watching nowadays?
So, evidently, how I dress, what I eat, where do I party,
Yeah.
those are not enough parameters to judge. I've got a new parameter in my life, another chachi, which is going to ask me, what are you binging nowadays?
Oh god, it puts a lot of pressure on you.
यार, I want to see Beverly Hills, Real Housewives of Beverly Hills. But मुझे लोगों
And
को
then you
बताने
used
के
to
लिए
blame me कि मैं देखती हूँ इसलिए तुम्हें देखना पड़ रहा है.
लोगों को बताने के लिए मुझे पाताल लोक नहीं बताना यार.
I know. I mean, you have this immense pressure on you to be intellectual, to sound like the smart one by saying कि
Yeah, I'm watching German web series. Yeah. German web series. I don't know how to pronounce it. La Casa de Papel. That's Money Heist.
and Spanish.
Yes.
But outside you'll have to say कि Money Heist का new season was not up to the mark. I mean, they got diverted from the actual plot. And घर पे देख के
ते वँगर पंप कुठे गेली?
oh god. So yeah, that is sort of a new personality trait you're supposed to imbibe.
How people used to be avid readers.
Oh, avid Netflixer. It's not obviously pertaining to just Netflix. It's all the OTT platforms you have जहाँ पे आप पूरा टाइम पड़े रहते हो. It's just that Netflix is the Xerox of photocopy. You just call it Xerox. So we are just going to mention Netflix, but it's not just Netflix.
Only Netflix, yeah.
Yeah. So I don't see people nowadays answering, so what are you doing nowadays in your free time with some constructive hobby. It's usually, I'm watching this series, I've watched these movies, on a movie marathon or series marathon. That's all we all do nowadays.
Correct.
And since lockdown चल रहा है, फिर तो we have ample amount of time to watch everything under the sun. Like पूरा Netflix catalog खत्म कर दोगे आप. You are at that level.
Correct. And earlier it used to be a very weekend thing, or maybe long weekend thing, or something that you would do in moderation.
Yeah.
Not because you wanted to do it in moderation, or it was only because you did not get that time.
You had no choice.
Yeah.
मतलब पहले ऐसा होता था कि you had a list of some classics which you have heard about कि अरे ये कभी देखनी है. Some series which is critically acclaimed and you should not miss out on that. तो आप decide करके देखते थे कि भाई ये weekend पे देखूंगा. Just a way of a stress buster.
Correct.
तो पहले ऐसे होता था लिस्ट आपकी देखने के लिए बहुत लंबी होती थी एंड यू टू जस्ट टेक ऑफ वन थिंग आफ्टर द अदर एवरी वीकेंड मोस्ट प्रॉबेबली. एंड इफ यू आर समवन लाइक मी तो आप वीकेंड्स भी वेस्ट नहीं करोगे इन पे. आई मीन इफ योर होल वीक यू आर वर्किंग तो वीकेंड पे आई विल जस्ट लाई डाउन एंड स्लीप. दैट्स हाउ आई लाइक टू चिल. सो मैं जैसे हो तो वो भी नहीं करोगे, बट अपेरेंटली द होल वर्ल्ड यूज्ड टू डू दैट बिफोर दिस लॉकडाउन.
Correct. Also now since it is lockdown and all, you are not really going outside.
Yeah.
All the calls which you are going to have are through your home, and you have laptop in front of you.
Oh yeah.
And let's accept it. There is going to be break between two calls. And one episode here and there तो चलता है. No, it's like that. Earlier, during the day, when would you watch anything? It was either at the time of commuting to work
Correct.
or coming back to home. अब ऑफिस में कितने ही बार वॉशरूम में जाके you'll finish up an episode. People will start getting suspicious.
या मतलब जो पहले चीज़ बड़ी फ्री टाइम में होती थी, मॉडरेटली होती थी, बिकॉज ऑफ हैविंग एम्पल अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम इन योर हैंड्स, you end up watching a lot of content, you end up consuming a lot of content.
Correct. And sometimes you're just watching it for the heck of it. You're not even watching it because you wanted to finish up a series or because you thought this is really interesting.
Correct.
Since now you have this time with you, and thanks to Ambani ji, you have this free internet with you. You just sometimes open up Netflix and just start going through the catalog to find even one thumbnail or those 4 lines which just makes you click on it and finish it.
Yeah. पहले आपके फ्री टाइम में you had a lot of other commitments, social commitments. आपके कोई पर्सनल काम होते थे जो आप थ्रू द वीक नहीं कर पाए होगे, और you just have to attend some events. और यू जस्ट हैड गुड डिनर प्लान्स विथ योर पार्टनर कि आपका फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी ये नहीं होता था कि शिट मेरा सीरीज ख़त्म हो गया, अब मैं नेक्स्ट क्या देखूँ. दैट्स सम रियल एंग्जाइटी वाला थिंग कि ओ गॉड नेटफ्लिक्स पे क्या देखूँ.
Correct.
कंजम्पशन ऑफ दीज थिंग्स हैव इंक्रीज्ड अ लॉट ड्यूरिंग द लॉकडाउन स्पेशली. आई मीन लुक एट अस. हमें हिम्मत नहीं होती थी यूजुअली सीरीज देखने की. वी हैड मूवी नाइट्स एंड हम दोनों इतने एग्जॉस्टेड होते थे कि समटाइम्स वी प्रेफर्ड सीरीज बिकॉज उसमें एटलीस्ट 30-40 मिनट्स के एपिसोड्स होते हैं एंड यू कैन टेक अ ब्रेक, यू कैन पॉज फॉर अ वाइल एंड देन जस्ट कंटिन्यू एट द नेक्स्ट डे, जो मूवी में नहीं होता है.
Correct.
दैट वाज अस. अभी वो नहीं है.
Correct.
अभी दिस इज द टाइम जहाँ पे हम रात के 3-3, 4-4 बजे तक जागे हैं जस्ट टू कंप्लीट अ सीरीज बिकॉज इट इज सो रिवेटिंग एंड प्लस यू डोंट हैव एनीथिंग प्रेसिंग टू डू द नेक्स्ट डे. आपका टेंशन नहीं रहा है वो कि ओ गॉड इफ आई स्लीप सो लेट तो कल में से उठा नहीं जाएगा. यू डू नॉट हैव दैट स्ट्रेस बिकॉज यू डोंट हैव टू ट्रैवल टू वर्क एंड डोंट हैव टू स्पेंड 2 hours इन ट्रैवलिंग एंड पहले उठना है. अभी तुम विदाउट नहा के भी बैठो लैपटॉप के सामने, इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू नो दैट यू स्मेल सो बैड. डू यू रियलाइज 6 महीने हो गए हैं लॉकडाउन के, एंड इफ आई आस्क यू कि वॉट हैव यू डन, तो मुझे मंथली एक चीज़ बताओ. वॉट वन डिफरेंट थिंग हैव यू डन ड्यूरिंग द मंथ? You should have at least 6 things to quote. Do you have 6 different things to quote?
I have 12 different shows to quote, which I finished.
It's
Yeah.
it's scary कि 6 months have passed by like this, and the only memory, like if I look back in time, अपनी रील चल रही होगी ना पास्ट की, कि let's go back and see what these guys are doing. At 3 a.m. we are sitting in front of our TV and watching something. At 12 p.m. and we are sitting in front of our laptops and watching something. That's
Correct.
the only thing we have done. We have nothing to show. अपना रिपोर्ट कार्ड आएगा ना, इतना खाली बन के आएगा, भगवान बोलेंगे क्यों मैं टाइम दिया हूँ तुम लोग को इतना.
Yeah.
It's embarrassing.
It is.
Like it scares me how lethargic we have become.
Correct.
I'm really just talking about ourselves right now. Like world का तो पोर्शन जाने दो, तुम लोग अपना देख लो भाई लोग. I'm talking about ourselves.
Yeah.
It's scary कि इतना time we are spending into something जिसका outcome is zero. Absolutely zero.
Have you or have I changed because of some show we saw?
Yeah, like अचानक कुछ knowledge influx आ गया है हमें. Are
Suddenly
you
I'm-
wiser than yesterday?
Suddenly I'm doing better job at my audit works because I saw criminal justice.
It worries me really.
It is scary. And if you actually think about it, it's not even quality content after a point of.
Yeah, like
after
no
a point.
offense to any platforms. वो आके तुम्हारे मुंह में ठूस के नहीं जा रहे हो कि भैया प्लीज 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 हमारी ये फालतू वाली चीज देख लो.
Correct.
It's us. It's completely us.
And because we are consuming, they are serving it to us.
Correct.
It is as simple as that. If we stop consuming, they will not make it.
Mm-hmm.
In past 6 months, at least the latter half of those 6 months,
Yeah.
we have at least had shows which the moment you start, you know it's half cooked.
Oh yeah.
You know the dubbing is bad, or maybe the story is bad, the acting is weird.
Mm-hmm.
But Netflix is just dumping it.
Correct.
They're just putting content after content because beyond the point, for even for them, quality does not matter.
Yeah, because if we were consuming X content, X number of content, amount of content in a month, let's say, on an average, then lockdown में वो X काफ़ी multifolds way में बढ़ा है.
Exactly.
Since we have a lot of time, अगर हम week में 2 मूवी देखते थे तो अभी week में 8 मूवी देखने लगे हैं.
Correct.
तो डिमांड सप्लाई का इतना इक्वेशन हिल गया है कि इवन दे हैव टू चर्न आउट अ लॉट ऑफ कंटेंट टू कीप अप विद द डिमांड.
Correct.
तो हाउ विल दे पंप आउट कंटेंट? हर चीज़ का अगर उतना ही क्वालिटी चेक जाएगा, हर चीज़ का अगर वो लोग स्टैंडर्ड्स हाई रखेंगे, ऑब्वियसली दे कैन नॉट केटर टू आवर ऑलमोस्ट अनएंडिंग नीड्स.
Correct.
They'll have to approve the projects which were in their pipeline. शायद half finished होंगे उसका जो भी. I don't know anything about film making, but कुछ तो editing process या post production वाली जो चीज़ें होती है, even that must take a lot of time in making a film, in making some sort of content. Skip कर देते होगी. They must be cutting corners in some way.
But obviously.
या substandard projects जो usual time पे नहीं approve होते because of the lack in quality, वो अभी हो जाते होंगे because now quality does not matter.
Yeah, and because they are not going to be released in cinema, you don't really care about promotional activities as well, no? All you have to do is put up one trailer in
Yeah.
coming soon, and all you have to work on is one riveting trailer,
Correct.
which you just see and you miss a serial killer. We just saw the trailer, and then we thought, what a great concept.
Yeah, something fun to watch.
Yeah. And then it's name of Manoj Vajpayee, which just carries a viewer to at least pick up the remote,
Correct.
click on the play button,
Yeah.
and what you end up getting is pure shit.
Like I expected good acting from Manoj Bajpayee and Jacqueline for the aesthetic sense. I just got the aesthetic sense and उसमें भी इतना नहीं है. मतलब Jacqueline, you can do better. I'd just watch your music videos on loop.
Banduk
That's
Meri
it.
Laila.
Oof, yaar. I like it. I'm not going to lie about it.
Yeah.
It's Jacqueline. But imagine, would we have watched Mrs. Serial Killer few months ago when we were working? हम
Not at all.
देखते भी नहीं.
Not at all.
And now, just for the heck of it, like मैंने Twitter पे already देखा था कि it's a pathetic movie. I don't know why Manoj Bajpayee did it. मतलब कोई तो bet हार गया होगा
कोई तो
बेचारा बंदा.
मजबूरी रही होगी.
Even if we knew that movie is going to be a horrible thing to watch,
Correct.
and we still went ahead with it because why not? We didn't have anything better to do, and that depresses me. कि if we don't have anything better to do than watch Mrs. Serial Killer, where are our lives heading?
Exactly. And you know, just going back to the binge watching,
Mm-hmm.
the word binge,
Yeah,
it is usually used in context of overeating.
yeah,
That binge itself expresses excess.
correct. Yeah,
So the moment you say what are you binge watching and what are you binging, it already means you are doing something in excess of what is required.
so it already has a negative connotation to it.
Correct. And people don't realize the kind of psychological impact binge watching has. So what happens is, the moment you start seeing a show,
Yeah.
your brain starts releasing dopamine. Dopamine is a chemical which gives you a drug-like high.
Yeah.
There is another aspect to dopamine release, which is called identification.
Okay.
The moment you start watching a show, and in the cast or different characters which are there in the show, the moment you start feeling connected to a particular character, your dopamine release increases multifold.
Okay.
So shows like Modern Family or maybe Friends,
Yeah.
these type of shows give you a higher dopamine release because there is a very high possibility that you are going to relate to one of the characters.
Okay.
Specifically in Modern Family, if you see from Jay till maybe Lily,
Yeah.
they have made that entire set of characters in such a way that somewhere somebody is going to find one character which is identifiable.
Yeah, it's a really wide range of people they have covered, from chalo, let's assume the oldest person in the family, which is Jay, to the youngest one, Lily or Joe, whatever.
So the moment that identification process starts in your mind, your dopamine release increases multifold. So the moment brain starts associating this particular show with drug-like high, you are going to want to do it more.
Yeah. Okay.
And that is the reason why such shows have higher binge watching quotient. You are more likely to have reruns of Modern Family and Friends instead of shows like Money Heist or shows like Narcos.
Good way to tell me that I'm addicted to something on a public platform. You could have told me in private.
Because they are just playing with how brain works. And you know the other aspect of binge watching, the moment it ends, because you were riding high on dopamine till the time you were watching the show,
Correct.
the moment it ends, your dopamine release drops to zero.
Okay.
You actually get a temporary bout of depression after you end a particular season.
Is
or
it
you
like
end-
withdrawal symptoms or something?
It is. It is as equivalent as giving up cigarette or giving up drugs.
Dude.
It is going to have the same impact because your brain has now associated this show with dopamine release.
Wow.
And
On
our-
an unrelated note, sorry, like this is not related to whatever we are talking about, it just came in my mind. ये same चीज happens to you when you finish a book.
Exactly.
You sort of go in a space जहाँ पे you reflect upon what happened. You somewhere feel sad about leaving that character behind. And it takes a lot of time to pick up a new book. It's not like आज ये खत्म अब कल चालू. You take some time out to revel in it. कि
Correct.
what just happened.
Exactly.
And ये book में होता है जहाँ पे a lot of less sensory organs are involved.
I was reading up a statistics which was released by Netflix only. They were saying that 361,000 people worldwide
Hmm.
had watched the entire season of Stranger Things
Correct.
in a day.
Okay.
Now just imagine these people.
Sounds like you.
I watched in couple of days. Now these people have completed a show of 10 episodes
Yeah.
and almost an hour long episode.
Hmm.
So they have invested 10 hours out of 24 hours allocated to them in a day watching a show. Their dopamine release is going to be the highest when they finish the season. And let's
Correct.
accept it, all the shows which have multiple seasons,
Hmm.
they leave the season on a cliffhanger.
Always.
So just imagine the kind of depression they would go through once that ends. So the psychological impact of binge watching is suddenly overlooked.
Mm-hmm.
Now, what used to happen when similar kind of a thing used to happen on television? Even they had shows which had seasons. At that time, everybody is going to watch that particular show
Yeah.
at that half an hour or 1 hour long time during which the show was
Mhm.
telecasted.
Hmm.
The moment it ends. Then you have to wait a week to find out what happened next.
Correct.
Now your dopamine release does not go through those huge fluctuations
Correct.
because you are not watching the entire season,
You don't consume a lot of thing in a very short span.
a very short span. That is the thing.
Hmm.
So it's sort of like postpartum depression sort of a thing. You
Oh.
actually feel something of yours has gone away.
Oh wow.
You actually go on a period of mourning when this happens.
That's sad. And it's so scary that something you feel that you are undertaking an activity to de-stress yourself. It's actually quite stressful.
It is. It is.
Dude.
And let's
As
accept
usual.
it. Everybody of us has gone through this.
Yeah. And then also think कि people have stopped having actual hobbies in their
Correct.
life. At least it's different for people like us and generations elder to us.
Hmm.
That हमारा जो formation period था, our childhood, our teenage years, we obviously did not have access to all these things very easily.
Correct.
The rich kids had it. They had computers and internet. Torrents were their thing.
Hmm.
मुझे तो बहुत time लगा to ride this wave.
Hmm.
Because I did not come from that background and neither did you, I think so.
Correct.
So we did not have easy access to these things, and we have had hobbies of our own. You played chess from a very young age. I guess you started playing
6.
at the age of 6. I thought
6
5.
is when I started learning, and 8 was
When you
when I
started
started playing professionally.
Okay, fine. And I started reading books as early as I could read.
Correct.
So that was my one thing. And then people, obviously, we had sports, people had dancing, painting, singing and whatnot. ये तो Netflix and all, इस पे तो हम लोग अब भी कहाँ चालू है, घर पे भी देखने नहीं देते थे. Now that
Correct.
since we are legally independent and we have our own place, so we indulge into all these things.
Luxuries of life.
Uh-huh. I fear for the kids of this generation. I know I sound like an old person. Like I've just been 6 months into my married life, but I already sound like an auntie.
You have become wisdomous.
That's what aunties call themselves. कि हमें सब पता है बेटा.
ये
तो-
बाल ऐसे नहीं सफेद हुए हैं.
मेरे तो जाने दो. तो क्या मतलब we used to read. चलो I'll speak from my own experience because बाकियों का नहीं पता.
Hmm.
Whenever I used to read books, those stories, those fictional things transported me into some other world. And it was as big as my imagination could be.
Correct.
My free timing used to be with books. I never go anywhere without a book, even today. Sadly, even when I don't read.
Hmm.
But it's just engraved in me somewhere. वीडियोज़ में क्या इमेजिनेशन तुम्हारा चलता है. योर ब्रेन एंड योर बॉडी इज नम्ब when you're consuming content. Couch potato वाला thing is real and this is 10 times worse. Like
Correct.
couch potato term तब आया होगा when you used to watch TV.
Hmm.
यार पहले TV एक ही डिवाइस था. पूरी फैमिली मोस्टली आके बैठती थी. आप टीवी को कहीं अंदर उठा के लेके नहीं जा सकते थे.
Correct.
सो वॉट एवर यू वॉच्ड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वो एटलीस्ट थोड़ा फिल्टर्ड आउट होता था बिकॉज यू आर वॉचिंग इट विथ योर होल फैमिली. एंड आई एम नॉट जस्ट टॉकिंग फिल्टर्ड आउट इन द सेंस ऑफ एडल्ट कंटेंट या वायलेंस या
Censorship
नहीं,
form.
नॉट जस्ट इन दैट वे. Even that you won't watch trash.
Correct.
You'll watch something meaningful, something, even if it's the silliest thing ever, even if it's a sitcom, at least it would have some meaning to it.
Yeah.
You just had one device. Everyone had access to that one device. And plus TV ke time pe, as you mentioned, that you used to get your content for a fixed time. At a fixed time and for a fixed time.
Exactly.
So you had those limitations. You couldn't surpass that कि मैं बाद में कहीं और जाके देखता हूँ इसके बाद क्या हुआ. अभी का couch potato is 10 times worse.
Correct.
Because everyone has their individual devices. Everyone has internet in abundance. And उसका मुझे कहीं पे भी बूंद नहीं दिख रहा है.
Yeah.
And it's
Thought-
all on us, obviously, the way
Yeah,
we are
yeah.
using it. Why would you indulge in any other hobby if you have this? So many times I've started reading a book on my Kindle app on the phone and I've given up within 5 minutes because either WhatsApp का कोई notification आ जाता है या it just seems now too dry and too drab for me because it's not visually aesthetic anymore.
Exactly.
And abhi my brain has become so numb that imagining something is efforts.
Correct.
Reading something and then visualizing it in my mind, oh my god, itni mehnat. So rather a director should do that job for me. He should visualize it on my part and show it to me as a series.
Give me.
Kill my
tell-
imagination, please.
Tell me if that actor should be Shah Rukh Khan or Saif
Yeah.
Ali Khan or Nawazuddin or whoever. I don't want to imagine. And the amount of passive consumption we have started doing, it's not even funny that we don't read anything.
Some time back, I actually realized that I've been lugging around the same book with me in my bag for past minimum 3 to 4 months. And I'm the girl जो एक book 2 दिन में maximum 2 दिन ना. Like there were times when I used to finish a 600 या 700 pages of a Harry Potter book in a night. And next day morning college जाना होता था. Now you know why I bunked college. That's a different thing. But I used to finish 700 pages of a book in a night. And now it takes me 3 months to go through a 200 pages thriller. I'm not even talking about a normal book जहाँ पे it's not that riveting. A thriller, how can I couldn't sleep. There was a time I couldn't sleep without knowing what happens next. And now I cannot finish it. Something that I've cherished for my whole life. Bachpan se that was the only thing that gave me joy. And I'm not doing that anymore.
Yeah.
It's extremely sad and I'm not able to live with that fact. I cannot because mere liye substance in your life matters. The goals in my life aren't to have a really shiny, flashy life to show off on social media. I want some substance in my life. I want to be happy, really happy, not Instagram happy.
Yeah.
And this is bugging me. This has been bugging me, especially for the past 1 to 2 months, because we were talking something about lockdown, and we realized that it has been 6 months into the lockdown, and we have done nothing. Thank God for this podcast. Really,
Correct.
that's the one thing which we are doing.
So, why don't we tell our listeners that what we have started doing now? How
Yeah.
are we trying to get away from Netflix and chill in real life?
Yeah, parents do want us to chill. See, like after that really rude wake-up calls which we get, like actually that thought has been eating me up from inside कि बस हुआ time waste करना, do something productive. So the first thing which we have mutually decided is to consciously set some time limits. Either set some limits or set a specific time. If you would have noticed, Kalpit, nowadays मैं ऐसा middle of the day में नहीं देखती हूँ चीज़ें. I don't watch do you remember that time when I was binge watching Real Housewives of Beverly Hills? Binge watching मॉर्निंग से लेके रात तक. आई नो यू weren't too happy with it because तुमको तुम्हारा टाइम नहीं मिल रहा था, but
No, but I kid you not, there were times during this lockdown where we could not sit without TV.
yeah.
We could not sit without TV. We would
I mean, if क्या बोलते हैं, by coincidence, you and me have ended up on the couch. If you have finished your work, I have finished my work. The first thing which we instinctively did was pick up the remote and just play something.
Yeah.
It was important for a coexistence, I guess.
I mean, Charlie Puth का We Don't Talk Anymore ही बजा देते TV on करके.
Oh, the irony.
So it's sad, but we had those times when we could not
Yeah,
sit
not
in
long
the
ago.
same. Yeah. So now we have started that. We have started setting time limit or maybe episode limit
Yeah.
that if we have started a series.
Hmm.
By the way, we don't.
Yeah, that's our next point actually. We avoid watching series.
Yeah.
We prefer movies over series, and that is because movies end
Correct.
sooner than series.
Correct.
Even if it's a bad one, you have just wasted maximum 2 hours
2
of your
hours,
life.
Yeah.
And to come out of that trauma, you'll take at least a day, hopefully. So, movies are still okay. We obviously are trying to cut down, agar ho sake to inshallah everything, not everything. But
again, yeah, it takes time. It takes time.
yeah,
At least
so the first step which you can do is to avoid series at least. And those series जो आपने बस ऐसे ही देख के देखना चालू किया है, not that someone has recommended it to you. Yeah, sadly something which is just trending all over internet कि भाई that matchmaking one, Indian matchmaking,
one.
is that the one?
Yeah. Too hot to handle even.
No, see, don't give that example because I watched it. I very specifically want to give an example
so
which
let's-
paints me in a good light.
No. So let's show a comparison that how we were naive and we saw
हमसे गलती हो
something
गई,
in
लड़कों
trending
से
and we
गलती हो
watched it.
जाती है.
Yeah, boys did not play well.
So Too Hot to Handle was trending. Plus, I saw a lot of tweets and I was a bit tempted to watch it. I don't regret it much.
Yeah, I enjoyed it. I enjoyed it.
So there was a time when we used to watch series just for the heck of it, and abhi very consciously I've kept myself away from Indian matchmaking.
Yeah.
Apparently it's अच्छा time pass है, and everyone was not that's a new trend ना. सिर्फ लोग आजकल वो सीरीज नहीं देखते जिनके गुड रिव्यूज आ रहे. पीपल एक्चुअली गो एंड वॉच द सीरीज विच आर बीइंग बैश्ड.
Mrs. Serial Killer.
We all bashed it. We watched it for bashing.
It was so bad that everybody watched
That shows
it.
how vela we are, really.
I mean, COVID chodo. I want our offices to call us back to work. So that COVID से भले COVID हो जाए, but कि जो mental numbness के through we are going,
I know.
वो improve हो जाए.
So the very first thing which we mentioned was setting time limits, and the second thing is we are avoiding watching series. So critically acclaimed ones, obviously देखो. Don't
Or something that interests you.
yeah.
Genuinely interests.
हाँ, you just see something, उसका synopsis आपको पसंद आए, whatever you like about it, if you want to give it a watch, please do. But avoid watching something just because it's trending somewhere. And आजकल का तो trend है कि where it is being bashed upon. Don't.
See, you already know it's a bad content.
Mm-hmm.
You're still watching it. And also, what we have also started doing is that we decide what we want to see and then open Netflix.
That's the biggest challenge.
Yeah. Because you will end up finally watching 1.5 hour long movie, but you have already wasted an hour in
To search for the perfect movie. इतना टाइम तो दुल्हन ढूंढने के लिए लोग नहीं लगाते अरेंज मैरिज में. ये तो सिर्फ एक मूवी है बच्चों.
Indian matchmaking में लगाया होगा शायद उन्होंने. We don't know.
So take it in both the ways कि मूवी में कम टाइम लगाओ एंड दुल्हन में ज़्यादा भी टाइम लगाओ
Correct.
ढूंढने में. Dude. And that is all for today. Hope you had a very good time and thank you again for joining us. Like, follow and subscribe to our podcast and tune in every Saturday for a brand new episode. Subscribe to our channel on YouTube and follow us on Instagram with the same username, because if you do, I'll pray that your organization adopts a very generously drafted work from home policy. You can find us on YouTube, Spotify, JioSaavn, Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts by the same name, Relationships Aajkal. See you next Saturday, one relationship at a time.